YouTube, I had to come back to pick and pull the junkyard. Had to grab a wiring harness for this truck, for the doors. That side, it don't work. And it's because when I was running my speaker wires, I never put the rubber boot back on, and water got in it and shorted it out. Instead of me trying to figure it out, I just took the whole thing out and got it. It wasn't nothing but $8. So hopefully this worked. Alright, YouTube. Got the wiring harness. I'm running it back through the door. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna run my speaker wire through it, because I'm about to change all these out. So I got the speaker wire already through. Only thing I gotta do now is run these back through. These two back through this, so I can bring it back around up in here. So let me go and get to it. Alright, YouTube, got all that buttoned up. This speaker wire, that speaker wire I ran through for the new speakers. Let me do this real quick. Turn the key forward. We back going up and down. Alright then, YouTube.